Why there is serious money in kitchen fumes. FBI has 0 leads in search for Texas shooting suspect. Reward up to $80,000. Russia's economy isn't facing disaster anytime soon as weapons production compensates for GDP losses, Ukrainian strategist says. ChatGPT and generative AI in payments. Reality, hype, what's next, and how to prepare. Nikki Haley says pushing out Dianne Feinstein isn't sexist because the 89-year-old senator has proven she can no longer do her job. ChatGPT and generative AI in content marketing. Reality, hype, what's next, and how to prepare. Adidas wants to move on from the Kanye West scandal, but investors are angry and suing. Governor Greg Abbott prompts swift rebukes after calling Texas mass shooting victims illegal immigrants, in a statement offering condolences to their loved ones. Russia is building defenses deep inside its own territory, fearing a sweeping Ukrainian counterattack, UK intel.